Hello, my name is I'm a member of the European Parliament and also a member of the tparliament. And I just came to express our solidarity with you and with your rules. Mr. Mann, the president of the tparliament group, couldn't come, but he asked me to greet you in his name too. And as you know, the European Union is important institution, and the respect for human rights, freedom of religion and freedom of association are founding principles of the Union and the priority for its foreign policy. And last plenary session in Strasbourg we adopted a resolution, and I will quote the paragraph, the point number 19 of this resolution, adopted by the European Parliament on the 27th of October 2011. Urge the government of the People's Republic of China to respect internationally agreed human rights standards and to abide by its obligations under international human rights conventions with respect to freedom of religion or belief. I'm coming from a special part of Europe, a kind of Tibet of Romania. It's an island called Transylvania. Especially the part from where I'm coming had an autonomy even during the communism. It's the so-called secular land, and one member of my community tried to visit your country in the 19th century. He is Alexander Kureshi. He made the first Tibetan English dictionary. And everybody in my region, Hungarians from Romania, from Transylvania, from Siglerland, knows about you. We have a special association regarding the work of and life of Alexander Kureshi. And last time when I visited your settlement in India and I got some books, I give it to this organization, so we keep you in our prayers, in our mind, and in our debates. And for us it's also very important to help you reach your goals, to give back the real autonomy of Tibet. And I'm always telling to my colleagues and friends in the European Parliament that Europe must be a model, an example for the world, and it can be just if Europe by himself respects the human rights, the minority rights, and protect minorities and give their rights for self-determination, autonomy. There are a lot of things to do, even inside of Europe. We still are fighting with some very difficult issues, not just economical ones, but language rights, human rights, minority rights. Europe is still suffering after the First and Second World War, still keeping some bad memories. We have member states where there are language laws against minorities. We have member states where there is no autonomy, but there is a collective guiltiness regarding some minorities. So we have a lot of things to do, but besides our problems, we will not forget your problems, other nations, other people's problems around the world. And I hope that Europe will have the force and the power, also by giving a good example for the Republic of China, that everybody in this world has the right for his language, for keeping his tradition, his culture, and the force to have the right for self-determination. We thank you very much for your work and the demonstration, and we we also try to contribute with our speeches, with our resolutions, and of course, why not with our prayers also for your freedom. Thank you very much.